continue with my unboxing, I'm going to open the bags from Aspinall of London and Straberry. First one is from Aspinall of London. This is the mini Mayfair bag from Aspinall of London. It comes with a dust bag just like that, and I like it because it's navy blue. And this is the bag. Da-da-da-da! Isn't it nice? I love it. So here it is Aspinall of London at the back. And there's a pocket right here. It's really tight. It says here Aspinall of London as well. That's the lock. And then you just press it. And it open like that. Here it also says Aspinall of London. This is the strap. It's the authenticity card. Inside, it's blue in color. You lock it like so, and it should click. This is the mini Mayfair bag in croc embossed leather. And this is the strap. And in the middle here, it's actually the leather of the bag. This is the strap. It says A. There's a designated loop where you can hook the strap. And then you put it like so. And there's the bag. It's so tiny, but it's okay. I can put my iPhone inside. So that's fine with me. I'm going to be using this for the Christmas party this coming Saturday. And I'm so happy with this purchase. I love it. I really like it. This is a really high quality. Look at the stitching as well. Isn't it so fine? And there's it. Aspinall of London. Love the bag. This was on sale, so I bought it. Maybe I could have a black as well for this one. I really like it. I have another box here that I need to open. This is from Straberry, and inside is the MOSAIC NANO tan in vanilla stitching. Straberry unboxing. Yes, I'm excited with this bag. There's a care guide. I really like the dust bag, and I can actually use this if I wanted to. Yeah, you can actually carry it like that. This is a gift to myself for Christmas. Self-love. And here's the bag. This is the MOSAIC NANO in tan color with vanilla stitching. And it's open. And there's the strap. There is a Straberry engraved writing right here. And in here also it is Straberry. It's actually adjustable. You just pull it like so. I quite like it to the shortest possible. Inside, let's open this bag. It's a very fine lining. It's very soft actually. Very light brown in color. And it says there is Straberry made in Spain. And there's a pocket here. And there is the authenticity card, I think. Straberry. And right at the back, it says Aid to Mingus. This is to certify that your new Straberry purchase has been carefully reviewed and sealed by a Straberry quality expert. And that's Aid to Mingus from Spain. So there's like the authenticity card. It's different. It's like personalized. So that's good. And yeah, so that's the bag. So this is my new MOSAIC NANO Straberry bag. I'm going to hook now the strap right at the side. And if I wear this one, it would sit right in my hip. I like the bag. I can wear it like that, like so, and then as a crossbody bag. I bought this one from the Black Friday sale. That's it for my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.